In life, we must continue to learn skills and develop ourselves. But if we don't know how to communicate well, we will miss out on many opportunities in life. Communication is not what we think, but it is key for almost everything in life, whether it is in our businesses, family, relationships, and even in ministry. Do you desire to know how to be an eloquent communicator in the marketplace, ministry, with family and friends, and in every sphere of your life? How about the etiquette of communication? We have an exciting school just for you. Introducing the Communication School by Prophet Jerome Fernando. In this brand new online AMP school, the Prophet of God will teach you the essentials of communication. Learn 10 ways of expression using words. Learn the basics and an in-depth understanding of communication.
We have the advanced mentorship program. You have to give time to investing in yourself, to increasing in capacity. That's where schooling comes.
The Prophet of God will give us the revelation about what real communication is and share secrets and insight that will transform your life. 18th and 19th of October at 6 p.m. IST. Please note that this is only via Zoom. Limited slots are available. Amp your life. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate yourself with knowledge that puts you ahead of others. Master communication and walk in dominion in every sphere of your life. Visit www.timetosoar.org/amp/communication. Register today